Hey, welcome to Group Playbook. Today we're going to take a look at the basic functionality of a team rep. So once you get your email invite, you want to follow the link inside to the account creation screen. Just fill in the password if everything looks good on your name and email, and then sign up. Once you're logged in, we're going to take a look at the event creation screen. So that's the first thing you want to do is create some events. So let's create an event here. This is an FC Edmonton game that's coming up, so fill in title and date and location. Once you get to the description, you want to fill in any game specific details, so ticketing or parking or anything that's just specific to that game. And then once you got that filled in, you want to look at the ticket vendor URL. So this is specific to your ticketing solution. In FC Edmonton's case, we're using Ticketmaster. So let's get the ticket URL for this specific event. We just copy that URL and put it in. If you do have a promotional code, you can enter it at this time here. So let's take a look. That event has been created. Next thing we want to do is go down to the groups and create a new group. So let's create a group for the Edmonton supporters. Just fill in their name in this field and then create the group. At this point, we have the group created, so now we need to create a prize tier for that group. So let's go to prize tier, go in here. Now just enter in the type of tier that this is. So this could be a regular season game tier that you're going to use for most of your games. And then you can create specific ones later for playoffs or whatever. So this one is ticket incentives. So you get 5% off if you get 20 people. You get 10% off if you get 50 people. So that's the basics. We're going to create this. And now the next thing we want to do is invite a group leader. So we're going to go to group leaders and we're going to go fill in their group leader information. Now this can be changed when the person comes to their creation screen like we seen earlier. So it doesn't have to be exact if they want to use a different name or they want to include their last name or they don't want to include their last name, whatever. They can choose that when they do accept that invite. So just filling that out and send off that invite. So now we're going to take a look here and see that that invite was sent out. And that's what it'll look like. So let's log out of the system here and log back in as that group leader. So once we're logged out, we can log back in as that group leader. Information looks good. Let's fill in the password and sign up. So now that we're logged in, let's go take a look at that event we created. So we do see that incentives there. Let's fill in an RSVP to see what happens. So we're going to have 5 guests coming. We're excited to go see the game. And let's take a look at what happens when we go on that ticket purchase link. It's going to take us to Ticketmaster where we can buy our ticket. Okay, so we got our ticket. Let's go back. Yep, got it. Now we're